All right, today I got my blackout curtains, and these curtains are really long. Now, I got them over 6 feet, but if I open it up, there's a lot of light coming in there. But at night, keeps everything nice and dark. There's two of them, and I'm gonna show you from the top to the bottom. So currently I have them out here, but they go all the way down, all the way up. There's two of them. They got the loopholes, so you could pass them through. You guys can see that. It took me about a minute to set them up, remove the old ones and set up the new ones. Now, the new ones are made like a silk material. They're washable, so after time, if they get dust or particles or anything, you can always wash them, take them off and wash them. And if you want to slide them up and tie them up, you can tie them up here too. Have a ribbons. Both of them can be either or. So they go both directions. All right. I do have a divider in the middle, so it divides both of them right in the center, just to let you guys know. But overall, very simple. Simplicity is what I like about the curtains. Like the colors. They have different colors and sizes. It doesn't have to be this size, but looks great. We're gonna test it out at night because we do have a light right now and it's due daylight. I'll show you what I'm talking about later on at night. Right? I'm gonna show you how dark it is in here, right? And I'm gonna show you how dark it gets, but you are gonna see the bottom of it. So let's go ahead and close them out. All right, this is completely darkness. Look at that, blackout. The only thing you can see is the bottom of it and my little light that I have here. But this is how dark the actual blinds are. They're pretty good. So how good they are. Really good. So if you guys are looking for good curtains, very dark curtains, these are easy to install. Hope you guys enjoy the video.